Here are 15 French words and expressions for beginners you'll need to know for the next few lessons. Most of them will be useful to build daily life sentences as soon as you speak French. Repeat them after me, then we'll make 2 small practice exercises to help you memorize them. 2. 1. Une. A. N'a pas. A. Dans. Chaque. Et. Pour. Avec. Mais. Football. Tennis. Au bureau. Au restaurant. Okay, let's do it one more time. 2. 1. Une. A. N'a pas. A. Dans. Chaque. Et. Pour. Avec. Mais. Football. Tennis. Au bureau. Au restaurant. Now let's see how much of this lesson you remember. What does it mean? De means from or of. Un means one. Une means one. A without an accent means has. N'a pas means does not have. A avec un accent means to. Dans means in or inside. Chaque means every or each. Et means and. Pour means for. Avec means with. Mais means but. Football means soccer or football. Tennis means tennis. Au bureau means at the office. Au restaurant means at the restaurant. How do you say this in French? Un or une. Deux. A. N'a pas. A. Dans. Chaque. Et. pour, avec, mais, football, tennis, au bureau, au restaurant. That's it for today. Let me know how you did in the comment section and see you in the next video.